Hey guys, how are you all? If you are new here, I'm Shifa. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So guys, today I will share with you winter makeup look with some tips and hacks. Without any further ado, let's get started. Hi again, take a moment and please do subscribe to my channel. Before doing any kind of makeup, skincare is a must. Here I'm starting with the moisturizer. You can pick any of your favorite moisturizer. Here I'm taking Cetaphil. It's one of my favorite. If you don't have Cetaphil, no problem, you can go for Nivea as well. Both are very good for the winter season as well as for the dry skin. And yes guys, don't forget to give a nice massage to your skin so that the moisturizer will absorb in your skin. And if your skin is very dry, go for thick moisturizer. One more thing guys, because of the dry weather you are applying little bit more moisturizer and because of that your skin is becoming little sticky, then do this. Before applying any makeup, just grab a tissue and take out that extra oil from your skin. Here I am using Maybelline concealer just to cover out my dark circles. And by taking a damp beauty blender, I will blend it. And here you have to just blend and blend. For foundation, I am going for Loreal. It's a liquid foundation. Here's a quick tip guys. In winter, don't go for stick foundation or the mousse foundation. Always go for liquid foundation. As well, don't go for super matte foundation because it will make your skin super dry and cakey. After applying it with my finger, I will blend it with the damp beauty blender. And don't forget your neck guys as well as your ears. Especially during winter, don't layer up your foundation guys because it will make your skin dry and cakey. Mix your liquid lipstick and your foundation and make your cream blush. Guys, during winter, avoid using powder blush. Go for liquid blush or the cream blush, and if you don't have, you can make it this way. It will give you a very natural effect. And guys, whatever product I am using here, I will link it down in my description and you can check it out. Now for setting my base, I will go for loose powder from Hudabeauty. And yes guys, during winter, avoid using compact powder. Again, it will make your skin dry. Go for loose powder. And yes guys, to avoid any type of crease under your eyes, first dab it with your finger or with the beauty blender, then set it with the powder. Moving to the contour, here I am using Makeup Revolution palette. I will go for very light contour as it's a very simple winter look. Going for a very light highlighter from the same Revolution palette. Using Mikyajy eyebrow pencil, I just filled my eyebrows very lightly just to fill the gap. After filling the gap, just take a spoolie brush and blend it down. For the eyeliner, I am going for Nyx. Here's a quick tip guys, if you have a hooded eyes like me, then don't go for thick eyeliner. Go for thin eyeliner. It will make your eyes look bigger. And guys, if you have small eyes, avoid using your eyeliner till the inner corner of your eyes because it will make your eyes very small. Moving to the mascara. While taking out your mascara, never do this because it will make it very dry. Always apply it in this way. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. Guys, if you will apply in this way, then it will give you the effect of false lashes. You don't have to apply the false lashes. You can see the difference. If your lashes got stuck to one another, take a clean spoolie and brush it off. Applying this brown shade in the lower lid of my eyes just to give that kajal effect. Very lightly. And guys, never forget to highlight your inner corner because it will just boom your eye makeup even though it's very light. Moving on to the lipstick. And that's it guys, my look is done. Hope you like it. And here's my final look. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box.